Hi dears, today I've made hot and sour chicken soup. It has a tangy and spicy flavor. This is a popular and mouth-watering soup that everyone loves. Let's start. You need 5 cups of water, that is 1250 ml of water, and add 3 to 4 garlic crushed and 1 medium size onion chopped, and 1 inch ginger sliced and 1 bay leaf, and add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and 180 grams of boneless chicken. Close the lid and let this boil for 30 minutes in medium flame. After 30 minutes, switch off the flame. The chicken broth has loaded with flavors. Now strain the broth and separate the chicken piece. Shred the chicken the way I have shown in this video. Next step, add oil and add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and finely chopped garlic 1 tablespoon and saute it for 1 minute. Then add 1 tablespoon of spring onion white part, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped carrot and 2 green chilli chopped, and add 2 tablespoons of cabbage and saute it for 2 minutes. Now add chicken broth. And add shredded chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1.5 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, but if you are using the light soya sauce, add 2 tablespoons. And here I am adding 1 tablespoon of chili sauce and only 1 teaspoon of ketchup. Don't add more tomato ketchup. This will give sweet flavor to the soup. Taste the soup, then add salt to it. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Close the lid and boil it for further 5 minutes in a low flame. After 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of the green part, that is top part of the spring onion. In this step, you need 2 tablespoons of corn flour and add little water and make a paste. Add the corn flour to the chicken soup and mix it well. Now this is the last step. You have to add egg white of 1 egg and mix it well. And cook this egg for 1 minute and switch off the flame. The spicy and tangy flavored chicken soup is ready. I have recently uploaded the custard drink with homemade jelly. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching.